Hi, so let's make this cute candy color Christmas card. I'm going to show a very simple wet on wet technique which anybody can use to make sweet cards, which are super easy and very quick to make. So here for this tree, I'm just dividing my paper into half vertically, and then I have made a cutout of the triangle into the paper. I folded the paper and just merely cut a triangle out of it, and I'm placing that matching the center line of my paper and just draw a simple triangle. That's it. Erase the pencil lines because in watercolor generally the pencil is visible if you're using light colors. Now for the background, I'm going to use the wet on wet technique in which you take clean water and place it on top of the area where you want to place the color. So here you can see I have placed water onto the triangle area. You can make out the difference because of the shine, right? So it should be wet, that is important. Now in the brush I'm going to take some cute colors. You can take any color of your choice. Just think that any two colors, three colors which go together with each other. Don't choose the colors which will mix together and form dull colors. So go for some cute colors, and here you can see I've taken a lavender and yellow, and I'm just placing them randomly, leaving some gaps of white also and making the edges of the triangle a little more prominent and darker using more pigment. And that's it. It is going to blend automatically. That's the beauty of watercolors. So you don't have to do anything, and simply some embellishments on the side like a star on the top. Place the paper cutout on top of the triangle and splatter some paint around it. You can add any kind of embellishment you want. Using this method, you can make any kind of shapes like star or heart. You just need a masking tape. You can apply it around the shape and then apply the color using the same technique which I showed. After the color is dried, you just need to remove the masking tape and you will get the similar effect. So no skills required, nothing hard. Just enjoy the flow of the colors. So here you can see within minutes, without any skills, just a good quality watercolor paper and some colors, you can make this simply wonderful, beautiful looking card. I hope you enjoyed. For the writing, you just have to wait for the color to dry, and then later on you can just add in whatever saying you want to, and your card is ready. It's a real boost for me if you comment or like or share and subscribe my channel. So please keep doing it. Thank you.